Jaideep Shetty. I am from grade 4, Podar International School at Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Good morning, respected dignities, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today I stand here to tell about the great warrior and second Chhatrapati of Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj was the eldest son of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, born at Purandar Fort, 14 May 1657. He was not just a prince but learned much from childhood. By the age of 14, he mastered several languages and written great books like Buddhbhushan. He protected Swarajya for 9 years against mighty Mughal Empire. His courage was so great, even the strongest enemy trembled at mention of his name. Friends, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj shows us the quality of leadership is more important than the size of an army. Most inspiring part of his life is sacrifice.
शिवांनी आली तू आजी पशी बसा मी तुम्हाला पाणी देतो जा द्या द्या
He captured and tortured by Aurangzeb and refused to give up for his love for his motherland. Friends, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj teaches us to be brave, to be loyal to our country and country. Let's us all take inspiring part of his life and say with pride, Jai Jidao, Jai Shivraj, Jai Shambhuraj. हाथी घोड़े तोप तलवारें पर फौज तो तेरी सारी है जंजीर में जकड़ा राजा मेरा अभी सब पे भारी है थैंक यू